Hey everyone, me Kevin here. If there is any doubt left that YouTube is the greatest platform ever, I think this video is gonna make you fall off your chair like I did, because this is ridiculous.
Now, in terms of how much ad revenue all of that earned in 2020, the main channel here earned a whopping $2,082,858.68. The second channel earned $415,046.96, and the Iced Coffee Hour podcast earned $28,998.91.
Here's the total for the month. There it is. Over $250,000. Just because I made YouTube videos and turned this into a business.
Now, the first 6 months of doing YouTube, I made $6,083.25, but I finished the year at $113,094.
This me to a total of $92,373.19 just from my YouTube ads alone. And that's clearly enough to be a full-time salary.
How much money did I make in the year? Let's find out. Drum roll, please. Holy jagamole, $402,000. I already knew that. Why am I reacting so elaborately?
YouTube is the second largest search engine in the world, and is the second most visited social platform. YouTube gets more than 1 billion unique users every single month, which makes it one of the fastest growing online platforms in the world. The most amazing thing about YouTube is that it has provided a lot of opportunities for creators to make decent money on the platform. Many creators have gained an audience by creating video content geared towards teaching, entertaining, and reviewing products. Most of these popular creators have cashed in on their talents and loyal followers, making insane amounts of money from the platform. The good news is that you can do it too, and there are a bunch of ways to make money on YouTube. Let's take a look. 1. Google ADSENSE. For many YouTubers, Google ADSENSE is the most essential revenue stream. As a YouTube partner, you can make money from ads before your videos, channel memberships, or Google ADSENSE banner ads. However, there are some requirements that you need to observe before you have been approved to join the YouTube Partner Program. You must amass a minimum of 4,000 watch hours on your channel in the last 12 months, and you must have 1,000 subscribers or more. After successfully achieving the 4,000 hour threshold and winning your place as a YouTube partner, you can start earning money from the ads that appear on your videos. Through the YouTube Partner Program, you can also access the Creator Support Team. These team members can give you tips for using YouTube, guide you through copyright guidelines, and help you troubleshoot issues with your account. 2. Video sponsorships. Companies interested in your channel audience might sponsor your videos or offer you product placement deals in exchange for a 1-minute mention in your videos. You can also search on affiliate marketing sites like ClickBank and CJ Affiliate for possible corporate partners, and be sure you are willing to vouch for the company and products you are selling before signing up. However, if you do have an endorsement or product placement in a video, you must notify YouTube by ticking the video contains paid promotion box in the advanced settings tab of your video manager. 3. Selling products or services to your viewers. If you have merchandise or offer a service that's relevant to your audience, you can let them know about it by mentioning the service or merch in your video and providing links to them in your description box. Selling a physical product may require you to buy materials or find a manufacturer, but you can also sell downloadables such as ebooks or online courses. But make sure to have a secure payment system in place before you advertise your goods. 4. Affiliate marketing. Affiliate marketing refers to earning a commission by promoting a product or service made by another brand. You can become an affiliate marketer for brands and include product placements, endorsements, or other types of contents. This works especially well if you review products as part of your YouTube channel. Popular affiliate programs include ClickBank and Amazon's affiliate network. You can also reach out to brands in your niche that are running their own affiliate programs, which is quite common in the e-commerce space. 5. Licensing your content. If you happen to create a viral video with a mass appeal, you can license your viral content in exchange for money. TV news outlets, morning shows, online news sites, and other creators might reach out about rights to use your videos if they happen to go viral. You can also list your videos in a marketplace such as Joking Media, where your content will be easier for the right people to find and purchase. 6. Crowdfunding. When money is all that stands between an idea and its execution, crowdfunding is a good way to make it happen. Whether you need help buying better equipment, hiring actors, or covering other production costs, you can call upon your own audience and the crowdfunding community to pitch in if your idea is compelling enough. Many successful crowdfunded creative projects tend to offer a sneak peek or trailer that gets people excited. So consider shooting a video explaining your project or offering a test of what it will be like. Popular crowdfunding sites with a proven track record of campaigns from YouTubers include Kickstarter and Indiegogo. 7. Fan funding. Similar to crowdfunding a project, you can also set up fan funding streams to source donations from your audience. As a creator, you are contributing your voice to the internet without forcing your audience to pay for admission. So if you are offering good content, your audience might be inclined to support you on an ongoing basis. Many fan funding platforms offer creators another place for people to discover their content and a way to engage their most loyal audience and reward them for their support. If you choose the fan funding route, then be sure to follow a couple of best practices. First, create transparency around how the money will be spent. This will get your fan base invested in your story or mission, and they will literally buy into the value of your content. Second, offer enticing rewards for better pledges. The more you can make donors feel like they are getting something exclusive for being a loyal fan, the more likely you are to get donations and higher pledges. Some popular fan funding options include YouTube Super Chat, channel memberships, and Patreon. 8. Meet up with fans. Meetups and similar events let YouTubers connect with viewers personally. This makes it an excellent opportunity for YouTubers to make money from attendance tickets and merchandise sales. However, this is usually best suited to those with active and engaged subscribers. Those with smaller audience might want to skip ticketed events and bank on merchandise sales instead. So these are the top 8 best ways to make money on YouTube. Do you have a YouTube channel already? If you have, which of these methods do you utilize to make money on YouTube? Don't hesitate to share with us on the comment section. Also, don't forget to press the like button and subscribe for more awesome financial videos like this. Thanks for watching this one. Catch you in the next.
So this is how much money people think YouTubers make. But this is how much money they actually make. 20, 30, 40, wait.
What's up, you guys? It's Graham here. So I'm sure at some point you've been scrolling YouTube, you come across your favorite creator, and then you start to think to yourself, how much money are they making? No? Just me? Alrighty then, I'll end the video right here. Thank you guys so much for watching. I really appreciate it. Make sure to like and subscribe, and I'll see you next time. Alright, for real, I think it's crossed everyone's minds when they—
In the past year, I've earned more money than I ever had in my entire life, and I've earned that money from YouTube. I didn't think it was possible to earn like a normal wage just by putting videos on the internet. And that's one of the reasons I really wanted to make this video. I really wanted to share this video with the internet and the people that are following my channel. Because